Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow design in car parking, updated. Begin by measuring the bays and drawing a simple grid, then sketch the marshmallow shapes to scale. Pick reflective paint or removable thermoplastic for safety and longevity, and mark clear pedestrian routes. Permit checks and owner approval come next, then a test patch to confirm adhesion and visibility under headlights and daylight so you can tweak colors. In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow design in car parking, updated. Start gathering materials like reflective paint, thermoplastic tape, and pre-cut stencils for consistent shapes. Use a chalk line and measuring tape to align designs with bays and bring a heat gun for thermoplastic application. Test adhesive on a small area and keep cones handy to protect fresh paint. Follow safety and local guidelines so the design lasts and stays safe. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy doing creative projects like parking art, consider the Kindle Paperwhite for reading guides and storing design sketches on the go. It reads comfortably outdoors, holds thousands of books, and lasts for weeks on a single charge. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow design in car parking, updated. Clean the surface with a broom and pressure wash to remove oil, then allow full drying time. Lay stencils and secure them, then paint within the lines or heat-apply thermoplastic evenly for smooth edges. Peel stencils slowly to avoid smudges, and follow product cure times before reopening the space to vehicles so your marshmallow motifs look crisp and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.